In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Pinterest to earn commissions with affiliate marketing. This is going to be a full step-by-step tutorial, and it's going to help you guys earn money online if you are thinking about replacing your full-time job, or if you are thinking about, getting a side hustle. This is perfect for you. Hey, hello, my name is Diana Castillo and welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell, because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently and I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned before, this is going to be a complete step-by-step tutorial of how you can use Pinterest with affiliate marketing to earn money online. As you can see, this is my Pinterest account, and there is a couple of things that I want to show you. Okay, first of all, I can add my link from day one. Here is a brief description about my account, but something really important, guys, is that I just have 30 followers, but I'm getting right now on average 7,000 monthly views. For some, they're going to be a lot. For others, they're going to be like, well, that's not a lot. But considering the fact that Pinterest is a hidden gem, okay, it do have a lot of potential, because it's not only a social network, but it's also a search engine. A lot of people are doing searches on Pinterest, and as soon as they find the object or a tutorial, they make the purchase. So this is the real powerful of Pinterest, and not a lot of people are using it. Okay, so now with that said, we will need to have a pro group or a service in order to promote it. In my case, I'm going to be using Clickbank. Okay, why I decided to go with Clickbank? Because it's a marketplace. There are a lot of categories in it. If you cannot use it in your country, there are other alternatives such as Digistore 24, okay, JVZoo, okay, you can use those. So there is actually no excuses. Actually, you just need to follow this step by step and you're gonna get it. Okay, so you can create your account just by clicking here where it says start here. It's gonna ask you for your name, a valid email address, and you are gonna be good to go. You're gonna see that here on Clickbank we do have several things. Okay, here in the marketplace, for example, we have the top offers, the new offers, health, fitness, okay, and some categories. We can also click here and check on the top offer as well. Here we can also check on the new offers as well. But if we click here, you're gonna see that we have a lot of categories. Okay, we have the art and entertainment, for example, we have magic tricks, dance, fashion, okay, photography. We also have computer and internet. For example, we have graphics, softwares, web hosting. We also have cooking, food and wine. Okay, if people want to get the receipt, they want to have special diets. Okay, we can have that. Also, people can learn languages. They can learn about home or gardening. Okay, so they do have a lot of products here on Clickbank. The top niches are actually health, wealth, and relationship. But one cool thing about Pinterest is that people are open to other niches. For example, they can go with spirituality, they can go with parenting, they can also go with health and fitness, with home or gardening, with green products. They can also go with cooking, but I actually like to go with woodworking. This is a niche that I have been using in the past with Pinterest with great results. Okay, we do have several products here, but I suggest you to sort it by gravity and make sure you have it high to low. Okay, that means that a lot of affiliates are getting commissions, and this is what we want. Okay, we want a product that is validated, and I can tell you guys that this product, that's woodworking, it has been around for a really, really long time. Okay, they tell us right now that this is a top seller Clickbank product for years, and I can tell you that is actually true. It's an evergreen niche, so that means that it's not something that is going to be a trending today and tomorrow it's going to be gone. Okay, and they do have a huge market. Okay, on average, or you can actually earn up to $125 per sale. Okay, they tell us that they do have a really optimized funnel, which is 100% conversion. Okay, and they do have front end offer, upsells, and all this stuff. Okay, but on average, people are earning $51, which is actually great. There are other products as here, as you can see, but I suggest you, if you ask me, hey Diana, which product do you suggest me to go with? It's actually this one, Ted's Woodworking. This is a product that I know by experience that, okay, we can get good commissions with Clickbank. Okay, here you're gonna see that, okay, it's do have a video sales letter, okay, that people can have a lifetime members deal of $67, and people are gonna have, you know, some guidelines about done for you plans with step-by-step blueprints and all this stuff. So these are things that people really like, and people have all the information here, okay, what they can actually do. And this is, I can tell you guys, this is actually a winner product. Okay, if you want to know more about the product, you can go here where it says the affiliate page. Here on the affiliate page, you're gonna have like a better understanding about what the product is all about and why this is actually you know, a product that is actually converting really well. Okay, here again that says that you can earn up to $125 per sale. How come if the main product is $67? It's because they have something that we call a funnel. Okay, so you can see the main offer here is $67. Okay, they have a downsell. If someone decided like, hey, I don't want to purchase it right now for whatever reason, hey, you have this offer which is $49. Okay, then they do have an, you know, an upsell, a downsell again, even a membership. Okay, so this is actually good reasons why people are converting here. They do have also other pages. Okay, other pages, and guys, you can use them. Okay, you can try them, you can use them. Okay, and if you want to get your super affiliate report, you can type your email here. Okay, so with that said, we already have a product. Okay, we already have a product that we know it's actually winner product. Okay, so what else do we need? Well, we need to create a Pinterest account, and of course we will need to have you know, things that we can post. Okay, if you go here to Pinterest, you're gonna see that we have images. Okay, you can grab them from Pixabay, you can grab them from Google as well, but you need to make sure that people are not you can use them without any kind of issues with copywriting. But also you can go and you can upload videos. Okay, you can also upload videos, which is actually really great. And you can find these type of videos on TikTok. Okay, you can find this type of videos. Please make sure that you're gonna give credit to the creator of the video, and people are gonna be like, hey, okay, I really like this. Okay, I would like to build something similar, and you have a product in which people can get a lot of blueprints. Okay, also here I type it like really generic, like woodworking, but for example here you're gonna see that I can go with information is actually in depth. Okay, oh, it's not here, it's actually in the sales page, my bad. Here they're telling me that they do have this type of projects. For example, we have here the bed plans, we have the home office. Okay, we also have here the deck plans and all the stuff, and we can do those type of searches here on Pinterest. Okay, sorry, on TikTok, and we can upload them here on Pinterest. So now we will need to grab our link, but we need to shorten it. Okay, because the link that Clickbank provide us it doesn't look that great. Okay, so you can go to bit.ly or to any other link shortener URL. You can shorten your link here for free. Okay, you can join here for free. You are gonna see which are the type of images. You can also be a little bit more creative if you want. Like, okay, I don't want, for example, just to go ahead and download the video. Okay, You can go, you can be a little bit more creative, and what you can do is you can take screenshots. Okay, screenshots of the result of a project, of part of the project that they're developing. Okay, and you can add some text. Okay, so these are actually really great. And as you can see, you can create a niche, for example, a niche page. For example, these guys have the woodworkweb.com. Here you can see almost 250,000 monthly views. Okay, they do have the website right away, and they do have some projects. In this case, this guy, he created the video himself, but you can actually do the strategy as I told you. You can see here some images. It's just what they use. Okay, what they use, and this is it. This is actually how you can use Pinterest, drive traffic, which is the most important thing. And something really important, guys, is that you need to be consistent. Okay, you need to be consistent if you really want to build a side hustle. I'm talking about building a side hustle. If you want to learn more about this, check the very first link in the description. I'm actually sharing a free course. Yes, you hear right. If you really want to learn more about affiliate marketing, different strategies, okay, click the very first link in the description. And this is it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this content. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. If you have some comments, some questions, leave it in the comment area and I'll be more than happy to answer them. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and I see you on the next video.